In this video, I'm going to walk you through the integration of Maltiverse threat intelligence feeds to improve detection capabilities in IBM QRadar. Let's go for it. Step 1. Threat Intelligence App Download. To integrate Maltiverse feeds to QRadar, it is required to install IBM Threat Intelligence App, which can be found in the IBM Marketplace and has official support. Please check out below in this video description the link to download it after you create your IBM account for free. Step 2. Installation. Once the Threat Intelligence app file is downloaded, please log into QRadar and in the admin menu, click on Extensions Management. Click on Add New Extension and browse from local storage the previously downloaded file. Please check the box Install immediately and wait until the process is finished. Step 3. Create Authorized Service Token. QRadar requires creating an Authorized Service Token to configure the Threat Intelligence app. To create this token, follow these steps. 1. Click Authorized Services Management. 2. Click Add. 3. In service name, type a name for this authorized service. 4. In user role, select Admin. 5. On expiry date, select No Expiry. Click Save. Please save the token in some text file as it will be needed later during the configuration of the Threat Intelligence app. Step 4. Create IBM XForce API key. QRadar also requires creating an IBM XForce API key to proceed using the Threat Intelligence app. 1. Log into the IBM XForce Exchange website with an active IBM ID. If you do not have one, you must create an account. 2. View your user profile and then go to the settings page to create a new key password pair. 3. Ensure to save your password as you will need it in the next step. You can view the API key, but not the password when revisiting the IBM XForce Exchange website. Step 5. Configure Threat Intelligence app. Open the Threat Intelligence app by clicking on the new tab available in QRadar bar. Go to the SEC Token tab and paste the authorized service token generated in Step 3. After that, click on the API Settings tab and paste the IBM API key generated in Step 4. Step 6. Add TAXII feeds. In the Threat Intelligence app, click on the Feeds Downloader button at the top right. Then click on Add TAXII Feed. In this menu we need to configure Maltiverse TAXII server with the following data. In TAXII Endpoint, please use the URL of the TAXII server that you can find in the description of this video. Select version TAXII 2.0. Select authentication method HTTP basic. For the username, please type the email that you used to register to maltiverse.com. Please take into account that it requires an enterprise plan license or a trial to function. Use your maltiverse.com password. Please click on the Discover button, and you will get all the Maltiverse collections in the first drop-down. Please select Command and Controls, and then in the observable type, please select IPv4 address. Polling intervals can be set to hourly, and in the reference set, you select the destination set where data will be synchronized. For this case, please choose botnet C and CIPS. Finally, for the poll initial date, please select 1 month ago so you will load all Maltiverse data of the Monto once we add the feed. Finally, on the Add button. This is an example on how to configure a specific feed. Now you can configure as much as you need for your use case. And for that purpose, here we provide a standard recommendation in the reference set mapping instructions you can find in the description. Step 7. Create rules. In this final step, as a QRadar administrator, you need to create some rules to trigger an offense whenever there is a match between a specific field from your ingested logs and a specific reference set previously populated. First of all, we need to understand that there are several types of rules in QRadar, and the one we need to use is sequence rules. Second, we need a new sequence rule for each reference set we configured in order to use it. This sequence rule will trigger an offense when the selected field matches with the selected reference set. We encourage you to review the reference set mapping table linked in description, to consult the rule logic column where we specify the field and the reference set you need to use.